This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Ledbetter. Incredible long-range view off this waterfront lot. Large 0.93 acre unrestricted lot in this very sought-after location off Brawley School. Dock in place but needs to be repaired. Cabin on lot has no value. Value is land only. Lot is priced to sell. Lot will be cleaned up in the next few weeks with underbrush cut. This lot has the only dock in the cove. Deep water at the dock. Please do not walk on dock, some boards are not stable. Build your dream home before next summer. For more information, review the details below or contact Ledbetter at 251-214-7909.